closer. What happened?
I'm sorry, Mom. I just can't stand seeing her knowing na anak siya ni Dad sa iba.
I understand. But, Ma,
Megan, they told me the truth. It was you who started it.
Lola, hindi lang po ako nakapagpigil. Jenny was celebrating because she thought I was suspended.
Pero hindi mo siya dapat sinugod.
Kinakampihan niya naman ba siya, Lola?
Of course not. But you have to control yourself. Hindi yan ang paraan para maungusan mo siya. Don't be petty. I have to get this call.
Did you see that, Mom? Natataranta si Lola. May problem ba?
May bone cancer po kasi si Ma'am Amelia. Stage 3.
what? Your Lola.
Sana hindi mo na lang sinabi sa akin para hindi ako nasasaktan ng ganito.
She's just having some problems sa Tagaytay properties niya. Megan, makinig ka. What she said, keep it in mind. Control yourself. Hindi yung sugod ka ng sugod kay Jenny. Baka mamaya niyan, malaman ng mama. At magsumbong si Jenny, bibigyan mo lang sila ng rason para magkalapit ulit sila. At huwag nating hayaang mangyari yun. Because if it does, somewhere along the way, baka malaman ng mama na apo niya rin si Jenny. So please, please be smart. Pag-isipan mo mabuti ang lahat ng gagawin mo.